Welcome to Technical Knowledge YouTube channel. Ohm's law states that the voltage across a conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, provided all physical conditions and temperature remains constant. That means when you increase the voltage across a conductor, then the current also increases. Mathematically, the current voltage relationship can be written as V is equal to IR, where V is the voltage, I is the current, and R is the resistance. In this equation, the constant of proportionality is R, and its unit is ohm. The unit of voltage is volt and current is ampere. The same formula can be rewritten in order to calculate the current and resistance respectively as follows. R is equal to V by I and I is equal to V by R. This is the 1.5 volt battery. This is the positive side of the battery. This is the negative side of the battery. The two batteries are connected in series to get 3 volt. Circuit diagram of resistor connected with a voltage source. A bulb is used as the load resistor. 1.5 volt battery is used as the voltage source. I is the current flowing in ampere. When we increase the source voltage like this, then the current also increases like this. This is the symbol of the resistance. V is the voltage source and I is the current flowing through the circuit. 1.5 volt battery is used as the voltage source. Two 1.5 volt battery is connected in series to get 3 volt. Let's consider the resistance of the bulb is 6 ohms. According to Ohm's law, current flowing through the bulb is I is equal to V divided by R. Then 3 divided by 6 is equal to 0.5 ampere. When we connected 4 batteries in series and get 6 volt, then the current flowing in the bulb is 1 ampere. When we connected 9 volt battery to the bulb, then the current flowing through the bulb is 1.5 ampere. Let's consider the resistance of the bulb is 12 ohms. Then when it connected to 3 volt battery, the current flowing through the bulb is 0.25 ampere. When we connect to 6 volt battery, the current flowing through the bulb is 0.5 ampere. When it connects to 9 volt battery, the current flowing through the circuit is 0.75 ampere. Thanks for watching till the end.